चमकला, सह्याद्रीच्या कुशीतून एक हिरा चमकला. भगवा टिळा चंदनाचा शिवनेरीवर प्रकटला. A very good morning to one and all present over here. Myself Arvi Sonal from Standard 5th, standing here to give speech on the special occasion of Shiv Jayanti of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the great king and brave warrior. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was born on 19 February 1630 at Pune, at Shivneri Fort at Pune in Maharashtra. His father's name was Shahaji Bhosle and mother's name was Jizabai. His entire childhood was spent under the guidance of his mother. At an early age, he got the right education from his mother. He was very brave since his childhood. Shivaji Maharaj was the founder of Maratha Empire. Jizabai taught him always that what is right and nothing matters that what challenges you face. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj married Saibai Nimbalkar on 14th May 1640 and she gave birth to the son Sambhaji Maharaj. The battle technique of Shivaji Maharaj was known as Ganimi Kawa. He killed Afzal Khan with the help of Wagner. In Maharashtra, Shivaji Maharaj is known by many names like Shiva Raje, Raje Shubha, Shivaji Raje, Janta Raja, and many more. We are so blessed that we have the king like Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. निरड्या छातीचा, दणकट बाहूचा, मराठी मनाचा, भारत भूमीचा एकच राजा छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज यांना माझा मानाचा मुजरा. जय जिजाऊ, जय शिवराय.